Holy macaroni, you probably thought you saw the last of me. Hello, you great green Arkle seizures. I'm back from a very long trip away, and I thought maybe you were missing daily poetry. Maybe. Maybe not, because no one sees these really, but whatever. Also, a question for those of you who travel long periods. How does the rest of the world live without a bidet? I don't know. Anyway, Typewriter Series number 474 today. Here's your wee paper. Once again, we're back in business. Looks like this. Recycled, brown, torn to shreds. Here's your poem. How interesting, how perfectly curious if there ever existed a calculator to discover exactly the percentage of time my eyes were open and staring with wonder while yours stayed softly shut. It'd be a lot. I love you a lot. I'm back.